Hey guys, what's up? Spads here once again with another video for you, and today we are here at a very steep climb. On top of this hill there is a restaurant or a cafe where you can relax, eat snacks, drinks, refresh, and then watch the view. This place is Uma Cafe, located in between Pasig and Dumarao. Okay, so right now when you enter this place, first thing that you can see is that cottage right there in the top. That's actually the house of the owner of this place. And as you can see, medyo mataas yung aakitin mo. At nakikita nyo ako, medyo hinihingal na. Pero syempre, worth it naman kapag nasa top ka na. Kasi you can see all the view of Dumarao in here and Pasig over there. Okay? So, let's go ahead and give you a tour about the whole place. Okay? Let's go. Okay guys, so that's the view of the Uma Cafe. Maybe you're wondering what's Uma. It's actually farm, local dialect that we have here. And right now I'm inside the house of the owner, which is placed on top of the hill right here. It's actually a main attraction here in this Uma Cafe. At nakikita nyo, ayan, may parang pool para sa sa mga isda. And then it's a good place to have your Instagram photos. At the same time, makikita nyo yung view. Yeah. So let's go ahead and ask the owner if he can give us more about this place. Okay? Let's go.
My name is Saljan Loren and I am the owner of Uma. We are located at Barangay San Juan Dumarao Capiz. Dumarao is the first municipality in the province of Capiz. You can easily locate us along the national road. Bikers, travelers, and road trippers are very much welcome to pass by. We initially built this place for our friends and families to stay and spend our weekends to chill. However, as time passed by, more and more people wanted to visit us. To cater to the need, we plan to open the Uma Cafe, where we want to serve food while they experience the calmness of nature. The area is a 3-hectare land property and we plan to convert it to a leisure and glamping resort in the near future. Experience good food and relaxing time with your friends and families.
Hey guys, what's up? So we're already settled in and we're ready to eat. As you can see, ayan yung mga guys. The menu that we have for today is pritong baboy, and then tinoom. If you guys don't know tinoom, it's a soup with chicken broth and then a coconut. So it's a bit sweet chicken soup. So if you want to go here, you can check it out. It's really good. And then we have sisig as well. The sisig looks delicious. We're gonna check it out. And then we have pitik-pitik, which is actually steamed. So we're gonna check that out. Surprised that we have it here in Dumarao. Usually you can eat that along coastal restaurants. So it's good that we have it here. Okay, and then we have another soup-based dish, which in our local dialect we call it tambo. It's bamboo shoots with coconut milk mixed with crabs. Let's go ahead and dig in. Okay guys, so As you can see, we have 4 very attractive drinks right here. This is soda pop from Uma, one of the beverages that they serve. As you can see, ang ganda. Pwedeng pang Instagram, pwedeng pang post para ikakainggit ng mga friends nyo. So you have to come here, taste it. It's really good. Okay, and then Ma'am Rox will give you kung ano yung mga flavors nila.
So, ini siya, strawberry and lemon. This is green apple. This is lemon and strawberry. And then blueberry and green apple combination.
Diba sinasaboran na kung kaya mo rin ulang.
Okay lang ang
Ulang.
Okay.
Hindi mo tayo ikaw gida ako pa. Sige pre. Sige mo pre. Wala, magsaka makawag siya.
May lain na base kung ano yung pagkakas. Baby. What do you want?
Access.
Yung mo na?
Okay guys, so ayan yung pizza nila. Thin crust siya. Pero meron din silang thick crust pizza, but it's really good. They haven't finalized the price yet, so when it's gonna open, we will know. Okay? Hey guys, what's up? So we are at the end of the video right now. It's been an experience here in Uma Cafe to let us first taste on what they're gonna serve on the day that they're gonna open, and at the same time show us the grounds and the views in this place. This is not really far if you're from Iloilo. It's around an hour if you're familiar with the road. It's easily to get to. The road here is very beautiful because you'll have to pass the mountains, because this area is actually in the middle of the mountains going downhill on Dumarao town. You'll get to this place before the Dumarao town. Right now I cannot tell you what the prices are for the services because they haven't decided yet, because right now the last week of September and they're gonna open at the second week of October, so there are a lot of changes that's gonna happen between now and then. By the time that you're gonna be watching this video right now, I'm assuming that the Uma Cafe is already open and is accepting guests. Okay, so I'm gonna close this video because as you can see at my back, it started raining and I have to close this out before I ran out of sunlight. So if you are a biker, which is right around Pasig or near this area of Dumarao, you can definitely drop by here, have a snack, enjoy the view. I hope you enjoyed my video for today. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure that you are subbed to the channel and click that bell icon so that you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. As always guys, ride safe and I will see you on the next video. Okay, bye.